What's up guys, new here with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use Google Drive. What is Google Drive? Google Drive is a cloud storage provider among many others, meaning you can save files on Google's servers. What are the benefits of using Google Drive? You can back up your files and you can access them from anywhere. Now, how do you use Google Drive? In this tutorial, we're going to be focusing on the web-based version of Google Drive. So you just need to open up your browser and type in drive.google.com, or if you are using any Google application, you can just use the waffle menu over here and access your Google Drive. Now, since I already have my Google Drive opened up, I'm just going to go there. I'm going to be teaching you how you can upload your files directly into Google Drive. You can either use the new button, click on it, and you have the option to upload your files, your folders, your Google documents. You can open it up, create a blank document or a template, Google Sheets, and many more. I'm going to show you how you can upload your files. Now, right here, you can just double click on the file you want to upload, and down here you can see that it's starting to upload, and now it's uploaded. Or you can simply drag and drop your files directly into Google Drive and it will be uploaded. Yeah. So now I already uploaded that, and that's why it's giving me this pop-up. So I'm just going to click on cancel. One of the main uses of Google Drive is sharing files. Now, if I open up a file by double clicking, I can simply see the preview of the file showing me essentially what's contained in the file. And now, if you want to share this file, you can simply click on the share button up here at your top right, and it should show a loading screen. Now, you can share this to people directly on your Google Drive. For instance, if you have their email. So I just typed in someone's name and it came up. You can easily do that, or you can make your file accessible to anyone with the link. Now, you can change the role that you give the people with the link right here, and what you need to do here, you can change the file recipient from being a regular viewer, a commenter, or an editor, meaning they can directly edit these files. A viewer only has the option to look at these files and probably download it to their own computers, while a commenter can leave comments. Now, right here we have restricted, meaning that only I can have access to the folder. So I'm just going to click on cancel, and you can also click on anyone with the link. Anyone with the link means that wherever you paste this link, anyone with it has direct access to the files you have sent. Right here we have 3 dots, more actions. We can start the files, we can rename the files, we can find certain things within the files, we can see the details of the files, and we can see the security limitations of the files as well. Now, if I had given commenter privileges to whoever I sent these files to, you can see manage comments notifications. All comments for you, none. All comments means that any comments made on this file, you'll be able to get notified for it. Comments for you specifically means when you are mentioned, while none means that you won't get any comments at all. Up here we have the download button, where you can simply download the file to your computer storage. You can print the file, and you can add a comment to the file if you have the privileges. I'm the creator of this file, hence I have the privileges to do so. And if you want to add a comment, simply click on it, and you can just highlight where you want to comment on and do the needful. Now I don't need to comment on anything, so I'm just going to close that up. That's pretty much, we have covered the basics of using the web version of Google Drive. Now, on your drive, you can see basically most of what you have uploaded. Computers, you need to have installed the app of Google Drive into your computer for it to be able to sync with your storage. Now, shared with me, here this shows files that have directly been shared with you. Now, this start tab right here shows any files you have starred. For instance, I go to my home and I can simply click on the 3 dots, more actions, and I can click on organize and add to start. Now, if I go right to the start tab, I will see that file right there. Here you have your spam folder for spam. Don't know, I have never had spam in my drive. Now you have your bin for files you deleted, and you can, if you did that by mistake, you can easily get it from here. You have your storage also. For the free plan, everyone is allocated 15 gigabytes of storage, and here you have a simple visualization of how much of the storage you've used up. Your files are arranged in order of the amount of storage, in descending order, so it's from top to the least amount of size of folders. So yeah, that's pretty much it about Google Drive. So if you liked this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I upload more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out.